A 3-in-1 tool for forms, workflow, and document generation, FlowForma is the leading provider of enterprise-class no-code process automation for the energy sector. FlowForma's customers in the energy sector use the tool for a wide range of processes such as logistics and fleet management, incident management, preventive maintenance tracking, and much more. Take, for example, this energy safety equipment request. Typically, requests are made using spreadsheets, emails, or PDF forms. With FlowForma, energy workers can create a digital process without the need for code. Steps can be assigned to internal and external users who can approve the form in minutes. The FlowForma process automation tool helps to reduce the cost of operations, manage workflows, and prepare for unplanned outages and downtime. Tackle the process and shine a light on inefficiencies. Start today and book a call with an oil and gas process expert.